And look at this pre-market value. 86,000 just hit that offer right there. I don't see too much on the pre-market halt list. I want to keep a close eye on Romeo Bravo Zulu, RBZ. All right, RBZ up pretty big. 13G filing from Intel showed a new 9.4%. Means that they're being bought up, Michael. Why all of a sudden is there interest in these warrants? In conjunction with why did Solo trade 37 million? Why? Because someone said that they're the Tesla of Canada, but NIO, the Tesla of China, okay? The Tesla of China only moved 0.67% yesterday. I don't know. We'll see. I'm just saying, I don't believe Solo to be a investable name. I believe it'll be coming down shortly. It may not be today, but expect a biggie. By the way, if you guys are going to be trading Solo, you have to look at BLNK, which moved in sympathy yesterday. RBZ down pretty hard here. Solo, what a surprise. We're going to see this propped, stopped at $6. So they clear $6, ladies and gentlemen. Expect a blowout.